All right, Labor Day is where I want to start. You know, you're making your plans, but don't make them until I show you future radar. That's going to be the hour by hour and when we expect the heaviest rain. But here's the good news. Here's the good news, that the probability is not even better than 50%. It doesn't go to 70 or 80%. Okay, so we're going to deal with some rain, but it's really the operative word, some. I mean, 30% Saturday, 40% begins Saturday night and then continues into Sunday afternoon. Only an isolated shower possible as we get into, Memorial Day, Labor Day. 88, feels like 92 with an east wind near 10 miles per hour. Temperatures today were hot. I mean, it was 100 plus in almost every city except Victoria. Victoria stopped at 100, but everyone else at least 101, 102. That was San Antonio, that was New Braunfels, Gonzales. And then look at the 103s, several of them, including the state capital, west to Del Rio, Seguin, Floresville, Pleasanton. In fact, Seguin's heat index today made it all the way up to 109. Incredible. Now, our 102 today, the 18th triple-digit day of the year, and the first one was the hottest one. Back in May, our first triple-digit day was 103. Incredible. All right, tomorrow, this is important. We're going to feel like 105. This is the heat index forecast for Saturday. So please make sure you're hydrating because we're not going to get the rain before we get the heat. The heat's coming first tomorrow. The rain's coming later on Saturday into the evening hours. I'll show you in a moment. And then on Sunday, 102 on it feels like. So make sure you're hydrating and mix in some electrolytes on that. Apply the sunscreen because the UV index 10 to 11 on Saturday and Sunday both. Wear light-colored, loose-fitting clothing. Take breaks in the shade. Make sure to check on the elderly. Check on your infants as well. Now, here's the storms. You saw them coming down. This is what's going to happen again tomorrow afternoon. Now, they collapsed before reaching San Antonio today, but that won't be the case tomorrow. This front is still out there, and it's going to be the catalyst for more of these showers to develop. Tomorrow morning is dry, and even early afternoon is dry. It's not until 6 p.m. we're expecting the rain to move in. It's going to be between 6 and 9 p.m., and then that'll be it for Saturday. So again, early afternoon, mid-afternoon should be dry. Can't rule out a shower, maybe about a 20% chance, 30%. But then look what happens 2 p.m. Sunday. So it's going to be a little earlier on Sunday, but pushing through by about 7 or 8 p.m. And our second model is pretty close to that. They're in good agreement. So that gives us higher confidence on the timing. Again, Saturday evening, like 6 to 9 p.m., Sunday afternoon between about 2 and 7 p.m. All right, so here's again, the probabilities are 30% to 40%, and then only a 20% chance Monday, Labor Day. Tuesday, Wednesday, we're looking to get back up into the mid-90s, and then we'll bring back a slight chance of rain, 10 to 20% on the 4th, 5th, and even next weekend. How did Kerrville do? We also got the big Taps game and the final from Ferris next.